What's up? So it is Christmas Eve 2024 and we got the engine out of the MK7 R and we got it stripped down, got the crank out, and now Rob picked up a second block the other night for stupid cheap, and that's in really good shape. Don't really know what the plan's going to be for that, but we're going to take a look at that. And then a few Fridays ago, the pistons came in, so we're going to take a look at those. So here's the current state of the MK7 R. It's wintertime in Pennsylvania. So Rob went and picked up a second block that's just bare for ridiculously cheap. Out in Lansdale, Pennsylvania. Couple balance shafts. So that'll just be extra for right now.
I have to figure out, I think what I can do on the other one is on the back balance shaft, I should be able just to machine it off right here and have this hold it in the block.
Yeah.
And that'll be an idler pulley. And on this one, I'm going to machine a whole new shaft. The gear's pressed on, so I have to pull the gear. And once the gear's off, then this bearing assembly comes off, and I'll replace it with just a straight shaft.
Alright guys, so we'll do a quick unboxing of the JE pistons that came in a couple Fridays ago. We have this for the Golf R engine. Rob did have them coated. Got the top coated. Pretty cool. Coming up after New Year's, we're going to be sending the block out for honing. We're going to be doing an unboxing of the honing plate, and we'll be showing the new turbocharger and some other goodies that are going to be going into the key components of the build.